Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا بِاللَّهِ وَرُسُلِهِ وَلَمْ يُفَرِّقُوا بَيْنَ أَحَدٍ مِّنْهُمْ أُولَئِكَ سَوْفَ يُؤْتِيهِمْ أُجُورَهُمْ وَكَانَ اللَّهُ غَفُورًا رَحِيمًا. Translation: And those who believe in Allah and His messengers and make no discrimination between any of them, unto those Allah will give them their reward, and Allah is ever forgiving and most merciful. In the previous ayahs we read about those who are pure disbelievers, and those disbelievers will say that we believe some of the prophets and we don't believe some of the prophets, like Jews who believed Musa alayhi salam but did not believe Isa alayhi salam, and they did not believe Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. They are the disbelievers of Allah and all the prophets. And it was mentioned that if someone is not believing on one prophet, it is as if he is not believing on all prophets, and if he is not believing on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And those pure disbelievers have a humiliating punishment. As a simultaneous contrast of previous ayahs, today's ayahs is about the pure mu'mineen, and these mu'mineen believe in Allah and all His messengers, and they do not make any discrimination between any of them, and they believe in all the prophets, meaning the Muslims who believe in Musa alayhi salam and also believe in Isa alayhi salam or Jesus alayhi salam, and they also believe in Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam and the prior prophets. All of them Muslims believe. So in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about Muslims who believe in all prophets and who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made them their reward, which will be eternal paradise. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ever forgiving and most merciful. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among those who are 100% Muslims. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.